Now before we move on to the next step in that project, I'm going to show you how to prepare slip because we're going to be using it after this. So this bucket of goopy clay right here is just the dregs of my throwing buckets, my splash pans on my wheel. And I save it so that I can use it for slip. Now you can also make slip by cutting your clay into cubes and adding a little bit of water to it, but like this, it's already kind of halfway there. So I just use this stuff, and I'm putting this into just a drink mixer cup. You can use a blender. If you need to do it by hand, you can do it by hand. It's just going to take you a while to get it really smooth. Just get some of that slip, and then blend it together until it's nice and smooth. Now you want it to be thick enough that if you touch it, it'll form a little soft peak. If it's thinner than that, then you need to add some more clay to it. And if it's too thick, it's not going to squeeze through your mustard bottle. So then you just take this and you put it into one of these bottles and you're ready to do what's called slip trailing.